On today's body cam, we're checking out 19-year-old says she's fine to drive after 3 beers.
1012. I'm so bad at balancing. 1013.
Okay, you may stop. Now close your eyes. You're gonna go like this.
A 19-year-old driver insisted she was okay to drive after drinking. Minutes later, she was under arrest for DUI. Here's what happened.
Hello. Hi, Miranda?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Officer Crawford with UCF. How are you tonight?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Okay, where are you guys coming from?
We're coming from the library.
The library?
Yes.
Did you guys have fun at the library?
Yeah.
Did you have anything to drink while you were there?
I mean, we had a couple beers.
Okay, how many's a couple?
Like 3.
Like 3? Okay, what did, just beer? That was it? Did you have any food or any water or anything with it?
I had food before.
Okay. Alright, well, I am smelling a strong odor of alcohol intoxicating beverages from your vehicle, and I'd like to distinguish, I don't know if it's coming from your passengers or you, and I want to make sure you're safe to get home to drive, okay? So would you be willing to participate in some standard field sobriety exercises for us tonight?
I mean, can we call an Uber if you're that worried about it?
No,
You should have made that decision before you got in the vehicle.
you're driving at this point, so I need to make sure you're safe, and
Okay.
are you
Yeah,
okay
of
with that?
course.
Okay,
Yeah.
can you go ahead and step out of the vehicle?
Not sitting in here. Yes, sir. I had my
We're going to step over here.
I like the red interior, though.
Can you come up over here? Okay. So I just want to make sure, you're okay to drive. You have 3 passengers in the car.
Yes.
So I want to make sure you're not intoxicated and putting your friends or anybody else's
Of
lives at
course.
risk, okay?
Yeah.
You say you only have 3 drinks? And
Yes,
you think
ma'am.
you're okay to drive?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So first I'm going to read you some directions.
What about your friends in the back seat? You mind rolling down this window?
Would you like to see my ID?
Sure. Yes,
I'm
please.
sorry, I can't find mine.
Are you under the care of any doctor or dentist right now? Do you currently have any that you see them for regular medical conditions?
I have my regular doctor in Stuart, Florida, which
Okay.
is where I'm from, and they have my dentist here.
Okay, but you don't have any issues going on right now?
No,
Okay.
no.
Can I see the other ID you had too?
Your
That was
dentist.
the only one I had.
What was the other one that you popped up at first?
I'm sorry? No, that was, I promise that's the
Oh,
only
okay.
one. Yes, that's the only one I had.
All right. How old are you?
I'm 20.
Okay. So how'd you get into the library?
The bouncers there, they were friends of friends.
Okay.
I'm from North Carolina, so.
Okay. Can I see yours? You guys are from... Oh, you're out of state as well, huh?
Yes, we were just
sir.
visiting for a friend.
Are you guys all visiting? You're from North Carolina too?
Yes, sir.
Is she from North Carolina?
Yes, sir.
Well, originally.
Okay.
Originally.
What about, are you on any medication?
Birth control and doxycycline.
Okay.
Yes.
And do you have any fake limbs or fingers, toes,
No, ma'am.
anything? Okay.
Nope.
What's a doxycycline for?
It's an acne medicine.
You don't have any medical conditions or medicine that would prevent you from doing these exercises?
Nope.
Okay.
You suffer from epilepsy?
No.
Are you diabetic?
No, sir.
Insulin?
No, sir.
Okay. Have you been in any traffic accidents today?
Do you mind shining the flashlight under the seat?
Thank you. I appreciate it.
When was the last time you drank anything?
Probably an hour ago.
What was that?
Beer.
Beer?
Yeah.
Do you have any mechanical issues with your vehicle?
No, sir.
What's in your other pocket? I mean, it looks like you got stuff in your pockets.
I have a vape and that's it.
Okay. That's all you got?
Yes, sir.
All right. seat.
Thank you.
You said you had 3 beers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and that was it? You don't have anything else?
You had 3 beers an hour ago. Oh, God. People better learn, man. You have the right to remain silent. This is an open and shut case, man.
Because you told my partner that you had 2 beers? And did you just forget, or?
I didn't say that. I think he said that
Okay.
about him.
Oh, okay. Do you have contacts or anything in them? Okay.
Nope.
All right. Keep your head still, and you're going to follow the stimulus with your eyes only. So this is going to be your stimulus. Can I use yours? Should I just use a pen?
Did you put new batteries on?
Yeah, no, I just put new batteries in. Don't you just hit this to get it to come on? Okay, so this red light's going to be your stimulus. I'm going to have you follow that with your eyes only.
So follow the red light.
Yes, and keep your head still and follow it with your eyes only. Do not move your head, okay? Do you understand these directions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Stand with your feet together. I'm getting very excited. Just like this.
Okay, so can you see it okay? Line. Okay. And put your right foot in front of it with your right heel touching your left toe.
Do you want my arms out or no?
Keep your arms down at your side. Okay.
Do you want me to just walk straight in a line?
Do not. I'm gonna explain it to you. Do not start until I tell you to do so. Okay. Do you understand these directions so far?
Ma'am.
Okay. When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps on the line. Turn around, keeping one foot on the line, and return. Go ahead and stay in that position for me, please. All right. When I tell you to begin, take 9 heel to toe steps on this line. And then you're going to turn around and return 9 heel to toe steps. Okay. So it's going to look like this. Okay. So you're here. And it's going to go 1, 2, 3. And you're going to take a series of small steps.
So 9 steps there and 9 steps back.
Yeah. You may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, and just hang there for me. Just hang out for a minute. Okay. You go ahead and go back on the sidewalk.
1 1001, 1 1002, 1 1003, 1 1004.
Okay, hang on 1 second. I had an issue with
1
unless I'm used to
1006,
it.
1 1007, 1 1008, 1 1009, 1 1010, 1 1009, 1 1011.
Go ahead and close your eyes. Count to 30.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, go ahead and put them back further.
7, 8, 9,
Okay, you're being arrested for DUI.
11. Then how do I get out?
You can, was it $500 to bail out? All right, just have a seat for me, okay?
I'm not a lawyer, but you have the right to remain silent. Remember that. The second thing is do not do field sobriety tests. Why would you do them? They're optional. Optional. You have to do the chemical test. You know, when you go on down to the station and they have you blow in, you know, or they might draw blood, things like that. You have, you know, those you should do because there will be a penalty if you don't. You know, you'll get your license revoked or suspended and stuff like that or whatever. But these field sobriety, you don't, man, do not do them. Don't. You don't have to answer all them extra questions. None of that. They're all optional. It's just building a case against you, man. You volunteered and said, yeah, I had 3 beers at library. And yes, I said library. Okay? It's like, come on, man. You volunteer. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah? Well, that explains why I smell a strong odor of alcohol coming from your... Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Would you like to participate in some field sobriety exercise? Oh, yeah, sure. Follow my hand. Can't even follow it. You going the other way. You can't even follow it. Man, oh man.
Her roommate to come pick them up. So put you guys on the vehicle.
So leave that up to you.
Just tell it.
know if they'll be able to
I
drive.
mean, if she can have somebody come here quick.
You need to make the decision.
Okay, well, I'll see if she can make a quick phone call. We can, well,
They should be here pretty fast. Not too far.
do they have somebody else that can drive the car too, or are they just taking you guys home?
Ma'am?
Yes. Do they have, whoever you have coming to get you guys, is there two of them? Is somebody coming to get you guys
Yeah,
and the car?
I'm not communicating with them. Hey,
Hold on, I know, hold on. There's someone else that can drive over in this car.
Okay, if you can have somebody get the car within like 5 minutes, then I won't tow it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Okay, so what do you want to do with your car? Because I'm going to have to tow it. Do you have anybody?
Tow it.
Do you have anybody relatively close that can come drive your car home?
My roommates.
Okay, how far are they? Are they close? Like, do they
They
live on
live like
campus?
2 minutes away.
Okay.
Okay, what's your
So-
roommate's name?
I have 3: Daniela, Juliana, Brooke Stern, and then
Does anybody in the car know them? Or if we can release it to somebody who they
they're
know
all
in the
from
car?
North Carolina, so I don't know any of them.
Okay. All right.
But I don't want to tow it, so I'd rather get someone to take it.
Okay. They said that Delaney's coming. Is that your roommate? Okay. Are you okay with her taking the car home?
Yeah,
I think
but where are
she's.
they gonna go?
I'm not sure. I think she's getting them. I don't know where they're going. But is she okay to take your car?
Yeah.
Okay.
So then, where am I gonna go?
Yeah, you're gonna go. We're gonna go to the DUI center and then the jail.
So then, how do I get out?
You can bond out in 8 hours from the time now.
Am I gonna
8
have my
hours.
phone or no?
You'll be able to make a phone call when you get to the jail.
Where's your phone in your wallet at?
It's in my purse.
Okay.
Grab your
We'll,
purse out.
we'll take that with us when we go, and you'll get it at the jail.
In the end, Miranda Hinat recorded a blood alcohol level above the legal limit. Instead of serving jail time, she entered a DUI diversion program that included community service, education courses, and strict behavioral conditions.
Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide.